98 to Good day, sir. Today, we will be presenting our analysis of Company Galaxy XYZ's financial performance from 1998 to 2008 using Microsoft Excel. Our team will guide you through the key calculations and insights we uncovered.
First, we calculated the net sales by subtracting sales discounts from total sales for each year. As you can see, there's been significant growth over the decade with some fluctuations along the way. We will discuss the potential reasons for this change later.
Next, we determine the gross profit by subtracting the cost of goods sold from net sales. Then we calculated the net profit before tax by deducting administrative, miscellaneous, and other expenses from the gross profit. This gives us a clear picture of the company profitability.
We then applied a 35% income tax to the net profit before tax to arrive at the net profit after tax. It shows to the formula and results on the spreadsheets. This is a crucial step in understanding the company's actual earnings after accounting for tax obligations.
Our analysis reveals a generally positive trend in Company Galaxy XYZ financial performance. However, some years with lower profits. Further investigation might be needed to understand the reasons behind this variation. We also include an average net sales column to provide a broader perspective on the company's performance over the years.
In conclusion, by utilizing Microsoft Excel's powerful calculations and visualization tools, we were able to effectively analyze Company Galaxy XYZ's financial data. This exercise has reinforced our understanding of financial statements and data analysis.
Finally, let's format our workbook for better readability. We demonstrate setting the font Century, Gothic 11, regular, and saving the workbook with the appropriate file name. Proper formatting enhances the professional look of your financial statements.